So the most important tool for mechanical engineers is the AutoCAD. So we use AutoCAD for 2D drafting. Okay, so which is very important to have the skill on AutoCAD. So we can do anything in AutoCAD, but speed is an important factor. So accessing the commands with the keyboard is a very necessary skill that you need to have in AutoCAD. Okay, so these are the series of videos on AutoCAD, so that we will make the views like 2D drawings by using a minimal way and a fastest way. Okay, so this is my AutoCAD software. So if I want to click if I click on the start drawing, so I'll be getting into 2D drafting workspace. Okay, so this is my 2D space. See, so we will start making this 2D drafting. So let's start with this circle first. So you can see radius is 75, circle radius, so that's fine. So select a circle, enter. So you can use the space button as enter key. So by defaultly, which is a radius 75, enter. Okay, now the circle has created. Now the internal circle, which is diameter 50, select C, enter, and specify center point. Save like this. D, enter, 50, enter. Okay, now I want a center mark for this. Center mark, the command for center mark is CM, enter, and select the circle. That's it. Now the issue is the circles are like my required lines, but these are like construction lines. I want to show these construction lines with another line, another color. So what can I do? So right click on the part and you can go to properties, and you can from here you can change the color. So but imagine, so since we are doing a small model, which is very easy for me to change every single sketch with a different colors. But imagine if you are doing a complex drawing and there are number of construction lines, so every time you can't change the colors every time, right? So for that, so what you have to do, you have to aware of layer management. Okay, so if you see on this, see here layers, so we have only one layer, so we need to add a number of layers. So right now I'm adding one layer, which is construction, so which means it is consisting of only construction lines. And now when I choose the construction line layer, the lines within all these layer should be appeared in white red color, right? So click on this color icon and choose the red color, click on OK. Now, so whatever the things that I draw in the second construction layer, those all will be appeared in red color. Now the construction means not like a solid line, which is which is like a center line or construction line, right? So for that I need to change the line type. So if you click on this, you can see the center 2 option. If it is not displaying here, you have to load it. So click on the load, and here center option will be there. See, click on OK. Now center option is displaying, and click on OK. Now what are the things that you are drafting in the drawing in the second layer, what will happen? So that will be applied with red color and the center lines. Okay, so now let's close this. So go change the layer management to construction, and let's delete this center. Now choose the CM center mark and choose this. Now see, So since we are using the layers, so it is very easy to generate this one. Now next one is I want to add 2 lines. So for that, what I'm doing, I'm just adding one line from here to see, I'm getting the line whatever it is, and I want this line to be a 90 degrees only. What I have to do, I can enable the ortho mode, so which is enabled by F8 functional key. Okay, now I can only draw the lines which are at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 270 degrees and 360 degrees, right? Now this is okay. Now change back to our layer properties to normal line. Okay, now the radius is 75, right? Choose the offset command, shortcut key is O, enter 75, enter, and select the line like this. Okay, okay, erase it, select line command, enter, and from here to just draw it first, we will trim it later. Okay, now this distance is from the center to this line, which is 170, right? So what I have to do is select one line from the center to like this. Now select this, move up to 170, right? That's it. Now trim. Okay, now what I want to do, select a line command from here to select the line, specify center point clearly. Okay, line command, enter. Let's take a line like this and choose the offset command, offset, enter, 250 divided by what it is, 250, 125. So 125, enter, select this line and place it 2 lines like this. Then after, I don't need this line anymore, right? Now 50. Extend this line up to here like this. Now choose the fillet option, shortcut key is F, enter, and radius R, enter, 50, enter, specify lines. Now trim, right? So fillet, enter, R, enter, 50, enter, trim, enter, no trim. Okay, now trims will be these lines will be not trimmed. Okay, now trim yourself. That's it. Okay, now trim this also, I don't need it. Okay, now 170. Take one line command again, and from here to here, and choose this, move up to 170. So see, so these are need to be extended. Select this end point and drag it like this. Now trim. That's it, right? Now thickness is 50. So what you have to do, offset, enter, 50, enter, select this line, enter, and select this, drag it like this. Now the 50, this side also 50 I need. So what I have to do, select the line command, and from here to here one line I have dropped it. Select this, move, enter, 50, enter. Now trim. That's it, right? So this is the first one, and we will delete this one now. So we will add it again. So now the side view. For drawing the side view, what you have to do is X line. XL is a shortcut key for making the X line like this. Sorry, Control Z. X line, enter. Okay, I have two lines now. Okay, let's take one line, enter. Okay, so thickness is 50, offset, enter, 50, enter. Okay, this fine. And 150, offset, enter, 150, enter. Select this line and made it. That's fine. Now trim the areas. Okay, I think I don't need these also. Line. Okay, now 170, offset, enter, 170, enter. No, you shouldn't be do like that. Okay, so trim. Okay, so sorry, it has to be like that. Now it is okay. Select line command. Okay, next is this circle, so which is a diameter of 75. Select a one circle, enter, diameter 75, enter. Now 110, from here to here 110. So what you have to do, select move command and select this base point as this one. Let's place this, that's it. And select this command, select this again, move, enter, and I want to move it up to 110, right? That's fine. And choose this line, circle again, move, enter, specify center point, keep it like this, and move command again and choose this 75, enter. That's it. Okay, so construction lines we will do in the second layer, so that's not an issue. And let's make this top plane also. So for that, use the X line option like this, X line option like this. Select a line command like this, and from here, so this overall is 150. So select offset, enter, 150, enter. Select this line, not 1500, which is just 150. Now trim. Right. Now this line, so line, enter. Now trim. And that's it, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you can draw simple things in AutoCAD software. So now let's talk about construction lines. So go to construction layer. Okay, here I need a one center mark. So CM is the shortcut, center mark. I have added a center mark, that's fine. and take one x line xl is the command, and do like this xl, right. Now trim, okay. Auto trim, erase the unnecessary lines, and we want to add a 2 more XL line like this. Now trim, okay. Erase, is fine. Since it is a top plane, so we need to add 2 lines, okay. Now offset 75 divided by 2, 74, 37.5, enter, right. So this is a center line, so we can keep it like this, okay. Now 50, select the line, no, offset to 50, enter, that's it. So this is the thing that we need to change. Erase, enter, line command, enter, so select it, move it up to 50, enter, trim, that's it, and choose the X line command again, right. So trim, right. So trim here also. So this is how you can use the AutoCAD software. So now talking about dimensions, see, so here to here it is a dimension linear, right. So the key to make the dimension is DLI, dimension linear. So select the first point and select the second point. Now if you see, I want the dimensions to be appeared like a normal things. So what I have to do, DIMSTY, dimensions type, enter. So now you can see dimension display manager is appearing here. So click on modify and choose the text and change the text height as 10, enter. Okay, now I want to change the arrow size also, okay. Click on OK, set current, close. So 10 is not enough, DIMSTY and this type, so modify, so we can make it as 20. Okay, so okay, now just delete this dimension. So now I want dimensions to display in another color. So what I have to do, I cannot change the dimension colors manually. So for that also I am adding one more layer. Okay, so click on add layer, rename it as dimensions and change the color to sky blue or something, that's fine. Close it and change the layer properties to dims. Now DLI, dimension linear, select these 2 points, okay, that's fine. Now from here to here, which is 170, that is also fine, and from here to here, she is 415, that is fine, and So this is dimension which is not linear dimension, which is a radius. So shortcut key is DRA, enter, dimension radius. So this is dimension which is a diameter, right? So DDI is a dimension diameter. Okay, so here is also dimension radius, sorry, DRA, enter. Okay, dimension, so dimension linear, enter, from this point to this point, 150. Okay, now I just want to slightly move this, so click on select the entire sketch, click on M, enter, move slightly, right, move, enter. So dimension linear, enter, this point to this point, like this way you can add the dimensions. This is also dimension diameter, select this line. Okay, so dimension linear, enter, right. And after that, if you want to take it print out, so what you have to do, you have to draw a rectangle. So go to normal layer properties, select a rectangle, enter, and you may know in the sizes of A3, right? So total tab 297, enter. Now you see, so this is not fit into this entire sketch won't fit into A4 size, right? So what you have to do, select this, move, enter, and just move it like this. Okay, Control Z, move, enter, turn off the F8, just move it like this. Now select this entire one, use the scale, sorry, select this and SC is the scale, and choose the base point as this, and now adjust this. This is how you can fit your drawing into an A4 sheet. Okay, now you can easily print out. So this is how you can use the AutoCAD software very easily. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.